Welcome to my channel. I'm Alio and today we're going to talk about Grade 4 Math Legal 2015 Contest Part 1. Hello Teeny 1. And there's eventually going to be Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, and Part 5, and Part 6. Very much parts because there are 30 questions. Very hard. Well, this is Part 1, so Part 1 is almost easy. So let's get started. Wait. Before we get into the video, if you like me, please this is the subscribe one. I'm like, what the heck? Oopsie. So this is the subscribe button, this is the like button, and this is the share button. Good. Now continue the ribbon cutting to enter the wonderful world of Alio Math Fun. Cut the ribbon. Hey, where's the ribbon? Anyway, this is an imaginary ribbon. Okay, now start. Now, so the first question of the amazing Alio Math Fun world is 4 times 9 equals blank. Well, we know that 4 times 9 equals 36. Very easy from the times tables. And then we need to figure out which choice below equals 36. Yes, looks very easy. So A is 16 times 2, which equals 32. Nope. That's 32, not 36. Then we look at B, which is 12 times 3 equals 36. And then we circle D. No need to do the C and G because we already know that B is our answer. So I didn't even circle it. I was about to say slam the answer button. So we circle B, and then we slam the answer button, and we are correct. Get the ribbon. Right. This question was too easy, so I did not have to wear my thinking bracelets. So now, when we get to say the second question, let me wear my thinking bracelets. Boing. Pretty good. And the other one, because our brain has to be equal, of course. And now we start. So the second question is, if each fork cost $6, each spoon cost $7, and each knife cost $8, what is the total cost of 3 forks, 4 spoons, and 5 knives? I feel like when you actually buy a fork, a spoon, and a knife, it wouldn't cost less or too much. Somehow it wouldn't be 6, 7, and 8. Not very logical, but we are not this logical person who figures out if this sentence makes sense or not. We are mathematical wizards. So let's figure this out. Well, we know that 3 forks. Well, 1 fork equals $6. So 3 forks equals 3 times 6, which equals 18. So far we have 18, and we have to add it to 2 more other numbers. Well, now we need to figure out how many spoons. Not how many. 4. What's the value of 4 spoons? Well, we know that each spoon, 1 spoon, equals $7. So 4 spoons equals 4 times 7 equals 28. So now, why I got my pen right here? Bye-bye pen. So now we need to figure out what 5 knives cost. So we know that each knife costs $8 right here. And then we have 5 times 8 equals 40. right here. So now we need to add them all up, and I'm pretty sure you need a piece of paper. So let me use my wonderful red, it's red pen, and get a piece of paper, boy, and then fast forward it. What's this? Whatever. That's right. Well, 18. What is red pen? 18 right here. Hello, 18. Brush 18 right here again. No, this is not 18, this is 28. 28 right here. Plus 40 right here equals right here. I'm not going to put this on the paper anymore. Anyway, we have this wonderful slideshow. So get rid of this paper, get rid of this pen. Just going to put it here carefully. And then we use our wonderful this slide machine to figure this out. Well, 18 plus 28 plus 40 equals 86. Very easy. So now we circle D. Boing! Now we slam the answer button, ribbon, boing, and we are correct. Boing, boing, boing. Hey, I say everything with the word boing. So now we move on to the third question. When Flash the tortoise, the tortoise equals does tortoise equal? Yes. The very slow creature which I forgot the name of. Yes, this very slow tortoise divides the number of peas he ate this morning by 5. The remainder cannot be blank. Why is this line so short? Not short, so why is it like down here? Weird. But we just need to figure this question. Well, we know that blank divided by 5, the remainder can be blank. Well, 5 divided by 5 equals 1, remainder 0. So the remainder is 0. So we can eliminate A. And then 6 divided by 5 equals 1, remainder 1. So we can eliminate 1 because there's a remainder of 1 right here. Yeah, I said eliminate B, not A again. Too many A's. So now 7 divided by 5 equals 1, remainder 2. There's no 2 right here because 2 is already eliminated, so we don't have to figure that out. So now 8 divided by 5 equals let's see. Boing, boing, boing. Equals 1, remainder 3. So now we can eliminate C. And now we have 9 divided by 5 equals 1, remainder 4. There's no 4 because it's already eliminated. And then 10 divided by 5, A. It goes back to remainder 0. So we know that the remainder can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but not 5. Do you ever wonder why it's like this? Well, if we divide it by 5, 5 can be divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. No, not 1, 0. 0. So if you have 5 divided by 5, you get 1, remainder 0. So you can't divide it by 5. So we circle D. How many D's are there? I feel like it's always D. Now we slam the answer button, view, and we are correct. Now, moving on to the fourth question is, the length and width of a rectangle are 20 and 16, respectively. Its perimeter is blank. Well, here it is. I just drew this wonderful, very straight and very beautiful rectangle. And, well, as you can see, one side is 16. Well, it's supposed to be two sides are 16 because the other 16 is right here, which I did not draw, but you see the picture. And two 20s. This 120 and this 120. So we have the perimeter is 20 plus 20 plus 16 plus 16 equals 72. We circle C. Hopefully the last one is A, because I feel like we never have an A here. Since we're my name. And we slam the answer button. Actually, drum roll, please. Actually, no drum roll, please, because this is not the last question. And we slam the answer button, and we are correct. I slammed it too much. Uh-oh. Now, moving on to the fifth question is, let's see, 10,000 divided by 200 times blank equals 10,000. Well, we can rewrite it right here, and then we can just switch the order of this a little bit. So 10,000 divided by 200 times blank equals 10,000 equals blank equals 10,000 divided by 10,000 times 200. Well, we know that 10,000 divided by 10,000 equals 1. And any number times 1 is itself. So 1 times 200 equals 200. So the answer is B. I was expecting A. Very sad. But drum roll, please. I drum roll too big. Little tiny drum roll, please. And we slam the answer button, and we are correct. Shoot my weight. Did you enjoy this video? Well, I enjoyed it. Then, bye-bye, see you later. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my channel? It's channel. To watch my other videos and my other contest videos. There's another contest video that has part 1, part 2, part 5. And why I skipped to part 5, part 3, part 4, part 5. And eventually there will be a part 6. Well then, bye-bye. See you next time.